Well, so I'm Brett Hirsch. I'm instructor for overnightaccountant.com. And if you know me, you've been watching our videos, or you subscribe to the page, we appreciate it. You might notice I'm looking a little dirty because I got to shave. All right, I'm just going to get it right out there. Everybody's been telling me about it. That's what it is. I'm not dirty. Well, I got to shave. It's tax season. All right, we're busy. So anyways, but I'm not too busy to help you guys out and give you a 2-minute tax take. As you know, that's me versus the clock, 2 minutes or less, teach you something about taxes. This particular tax take comes from our Dealing with IRS Tax Debt, which is a great course. If you owe the Internal Revenue Service money, or maybe you have a family member that does, check out this course. It's actually designed to help you deal with your own tax debt and not pay a representation firm, you know, the 800 numbers or the commercials you see. You don't want to pay them thousands of dollars if you can handle this on your own by taking a single course. It's based on me helping my clients. I took the strategy that I used them, or the system I used with them, and created this course. So I hope you check it out. I hope you like it, and hope you buy it, actually. So anyways, this particular tax take, back to the issue at hand, me versus the clock. IRS interest on past due income tax. All right, that's the topic here. IRS interest charged by the Internal Revenue Service on past due income tax. I'm looking at my watch because, well, I got to hit the start button. Brad in the studio, are you paying attention? I'm getting ready to start. Okay, get ready, get set, go. Okay, IRS interest on past due income tax. It compounds daily. That's the worst part about it. That means you pay interest on the tax you owe, the penalties you owe, and then the interest as it accumulates. So it always grows, and then it grows at a faster rate. Compounding interest is what Einstein called the eighth wonder of the world. He's rumored to. He might have. But anyways, that's because it's so powerful at increasing your debt. Not good for you. It's good for savers, not good for owers. Okay, the rate changes every 3 months. We call that quarterly in the tax world. This is based on the short-term rate plus 3%. Estimate 3 to 5%, but rates are increasing. It's now over 3%. Was for years. It's no longer that. But if you want to do figure dollar-wise, you figure $3 to $5 per month per thousand owed. Don't seem like much, but it's every month, and it increases as you owe more. How does the IRS apply your payments? What order does the Internal Revenue Service apply your payments so you can minimize the interest? It applies it to your oldest tax year first, the oldest year for which you owe taxes, applies the tax for that year, the penalties for that year, then the interest for that year. Once you pay all that off, you repeat and you go to the oldest tax year. It's very important in your strategy, but I'll share one in a moment. It's important because you can specify which payment, where the payment is applied. Interest, penalties, or tax due, and what year you're paying it when you send your check in. Interest abatement cannot be abated. The IRS will not forgive interest, but it's recalculated when penalties or taxes get abated or adjusted. That's what you need to know. Here's your strategies. Pay your balance ASAP, of course. You want to pay it off as soon as you can. That's what you're watching this because you probably can't. Reduce your late penalties by getting an installment agreement. That cuts your late payment penalty in half. The 0.25% per month cuts it in half. Pay only the tax due. Use the strategy I just showed you with that ordering. Pay only tax due for your tax years, and then try to get the penalties abated. So once you get it abated, the interest will be reduced. I just missed it. Well, close. We're close because right there, I'm done. I'm done. I think I just spit. But I'm done. Okay, so technically I think I made it. I don't know. You have to see. You can argue amongst yourself. But anyways, remember, comes from our Dealing with Tax Debt course. Check it out. Also, we hope you subscribe to our page and like this video. Hey, we greatly appreciate it. And I'm sorry I lost this time, but you never know what will happen next time. Thank you so much, and